Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be preparing soup. Yes, I will not tell you the name of the soup. You people should follow me along. Let's prepare the soup together. So I want to try this leaf today. You know, I love food. I love leaf, natural leaf. You know, any leaf that is edible, I'm there. So I want to try this leaf today. So I'm here plugging it. I'm plugging it. Okay. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Can you like the video, like the video to support the algorithm, okay? Please, can you do that? Thank you so much. One love, one love, one love. I love you all. Yes. So they actually told me that this leaf is scratched. That I should not allow the water to touch me. That I should not allow the water of the leaf by plugging it to touch me. It has touched my skin. It's scratching me. Oh my god, it's very itchy. Very itchy. It scratch a lot. So I want to try this leaf today. Oh my god, it's scratching me. It's very itchy. So you all should come along with me. Let's go and prepare soup that we'll eat with fufu. With fufu. With fufu. Yes. So I want to prepare okra. This is okra that I bought. This okra is 800 naira Nigerian currency. That is less than $1. And onions, spring onions, 200 naira. Spring onions, 200 naira. Yes. So this is goat meat that I bought, 2,000 naira goat meat.
2,000.
And then I've sliced the spring onions.
200 naira.
The small blue plate is pomo, and the fish, smoked fish. I'll be using to prepare the soup.
Naira.
Yes.
So
I've sliced the
okra.
okra. Okay, you can use grater to grate it, but I don't have grater, so I slice it. So I'm going to be pounding it in water because I want it to draw very well. Since I will be putting vegetable, I want it to draw very well. So let me steam the meat. Let me steam the meat.
Ginger powder.
I've already put seasoning, you know, spice and chili pepper, hot chili pepper. Yes, I used to spice the meat. So let's steam the meat first. Let's steam the meat first while I pound the okra. Yes, hobby has made me love okra. I'm not really a fan of okra, but you know, it has made me to like okra. Yes. So and today I'm cooking it in a different way. So after steaming the meat, put the oil on fire. Let's start preparing. Let me fry some pepper and all that. Okay, let me fry it and with spring onions. So I've turned in my spring onions and the fish. Sorry, I later added pomo to the meat. To steam it together. So let's add water. Okay, after allowing it to steam, after frying it, add your meat before we add water. Allow it to boil for a while. So after boiling, add some little water that will be enough for the okra. Yes, there's plenty okra. So I'm cooking it because I'll be packaging some to put in to refrigerate. So see, it is boiling. After it has boiled, so let's turn in our okra inside. Let's turn in the okra. Yes, So do you know why I pounded the okra? So that it will draw. And then secondly, my husband don't like to be chewing okra, so he likes it to be tiny, little bit tiny, like melting from the mouth. Yes, so that is why I pounded it, and I want it to draw very well. I want it to draw. So after turning it like this, you can taste. If you need to add your ingredients, you add. Let to boil for some while, stir it. Yes, we're going to be eating it with fufu. Yes, so let me know what you feel about this video from the comment section.